Hello everyone. I welcome you all to my online classes. This is Om Maths Corner. Exercise 13.3, Exponents and Powers. Today in our video we are going to discuss about the topic decimal number system under the chapter Exponents and Powers. Second is expressing large numbers in the standard forms. So these are the topics in exercise 13.3 in the questions we are going to discuss. First of all, let us have the introduction of decimal number system under the heading exponent and powers. Now let us look at the expansion of 47,561, which we have already studied in previous class. So what we can do here, we can write this number as 4 into 1 with how many zeros? 4 zeros. Next is plus 7 into how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros with 1 plus 5 into 2 zeros with 1 plus 6 into 1 zero with 1. Lastly we have 1, right? So one more thing here we are going to introduce is we can write this as 4 into 10 raised to power 4 plus 7 into 10 raised to power 3 plus 5 into 10 raised to power 2 plus 6 into 10 raised to power 1, and lastly this is 1 into 10 raised to power 0. Okay, so power of 10, exponent of 10 is going to decrease. This was 4, then 3, 2, 1 up to 0. Now we shall see what is the need of expressing large numbers in standard form. Why expressing large numbers in the standard form? One very interesting example is sun is located 3, how many zeros are there? We cannot read them. Meter from the center of our Milky Way galaxy. So this is very difficult for a simple or person to read what is written this. So in order to make this simple, we can use the help, we can take the help of exponent and powers by expressing large numbers in the standard form. So in place of this large number we can write 3 into 10 raised to power how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 10 raised to power 20 meter from the center of our Milky Way galaxy. So this is very beautiful expression. Okay, this was tedious one, but this is the beautiful expression. This way we have expressed this large number in the standard form. One more example, number of stars in our galaxy is 1. How many zeros are there? We can write this in standard form. 1 into 10 raised to power 1 0 2 zeros 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 zeros are here. Okay, so this way number of stars we can say 1 into 10 raised to power 11 is the number of stars in our galaxy. Okay, one more example we have, mass of the earth is 5976000000 kilogram. So this is very difficult to read this. Instead of reading this large number, we can use the standard form. How? We write 5.976 into 10 raised to power. After 5, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 10 raised to power 24 kg, kilogram. So this is the way in standard form we can express this large number. So we saw that expressing the large number in this form is called standard form. Standard form. This form is called standard form. This form is called standard form. Okay, the question is in large number which is reduced to standard form. So one more thing we can do here, while writing in standard form 3 alone, we can write this as 3.0. 3.0. Here also 1 alone, we can write this as 1.0. So 1 point we start with single digit, after that we place the decimal. Okay. Now we shall solve the questions of the exercise 13.3. The very first question is, write the following numbers in the expanded forms. The very first part is, the number is 2,79,404. So expanded form we can say 2 into 10 raised to power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus this 7, next digit is 7 into 10 raised to power 1 power is decreased, after 5 this comes 4 plus 9 is the next digit, 9 into 10 raised to power 5, 4, now this is the turn of 3, next is plus, next digit is 4, 4 into 10 raised to power 2, 1 power decreased, next is plus 0 into 10 raised to power 1, last is 4 into 10 raised to power 0. Right, we go up to 0. So this is the expanded form of this number. Next number is 30 lakhs 6,194. So here we take the first number 3, first digit is 3 into 10 raised to power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we go on decreasing. Second 0 is the digit and power is decreased. It was 6, now this is 5. Next digit is again 0 into power of 10 is decreased by 1, 4 plus next digit is 6. Again power is decreased, after 4 this is 3 plus 1 is the next digit into 10 raised to power after 3 this is 2 plus next digit is 9 into 10 raised to power is decreased, now this is 1, lastly plus 4 into 10 raised to power 0. Now next number is 28 lakhs 6,196. Again we write first bracket 2 into 10 raised to power 6. Next is 8. 8 into 10 raised to power 5. Next is 0 into 10 raised to power 4. Next digit is 6 into 10 raised to power 3 plus next digit is 1 into 10 raised to power 2. Next digit is 9 into 10 raised to power 1. Last digit is 6 into 10 raised to power 0. So this is the expansion of 28 lakhs 6196. Next number 1,20,719. So we write 1 into 10 raised to power 5 plus next digit is 2 into 10 raised to power 4 plus 0 into 10 raised to power 3 plus 7 into 10 raised to power 2 plus 1 into 10 raised to power 1 plus 9 into 10 raised to power 0. The last number of question number 1 is 20,068. So we write first of all 2 into 10 raised to power 1, 2, 3, 4. We start with 4. Next is 0, 10 power 3 plus 0, 10 raised to power 2 plus 6, 10 raised to power 1 plus 8, 10 raised to power 0. So this was our question number 1. Write the following numbers in expanded form. This is the way how we can write the given numbers in the expanded form. Now we take up the question number 2. Question number 2, the statement is find the number from each of the following expanded forms. The very first form is A part 8 into 10 raised to power 4. So we start from here. We write the number as 8. Thereafter power is going on decreasing 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. After 8 we have 6. Thereafter we have 0. Next we have 4. Next we have 5. So this is the required number. Next part, B part. This is the expanded form, but in this part a little bit twist has been given. What is that? First of all, we observe at the decreasing powers of 10. This was 10 raised to power 5, but 10 raised to power 4 is missing. So we need to write 0 here. That means first of all we write 4, because 10 raised to power 4 component is missing, so we have to put 0. After 10 raised to power 4, this comes 10 raised to power 3, so here we have 5. After 10 raised to power 3, this is 10 raised to power 2. Okay, so we write 3. After 2, there should be 1, but 10 raised to power 1 is missing. It mean we need to write here 0. After 1, this is 0. So last digit is 2. So what is the number? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10 thousands, lakhs. 4,05,302 is the required number. Next part. Again in part number C, we have the 3 into 10 raised to power 4. Now 10 raised to power 3 is missing. So here one missing number is there. 10 raised to power 2. Here again 10 raised to power 1 is missing. So mean to say we have to insert 0 at the place of missing numbers. So how we can write this number 3? First of all we write 3, then this 0, then 7, again after 7 this is 0, next is 5. Okay, so 30,705 is the required number. Next is in part number D, we see that 10 raised to power 5. Now after 10 raised to power 5, 10 raised to power 4 is missing. 10 raised to power 4, then 10 raised to power 3 is also missing. Then next is 10 raised to power 2. Next 10 raised to power 1. Lastly 10 raised to power 0 is also missing. So how we can write this number? First of all we start with 9. Missing, in place of missing number we write 0. Missing 10 raised to power 3, we again write 0. Next we have 2. Next we have 3. Again 10 raised to power 0 is missing, so we write 0. So this is the required number. What is the number? 9 lakhs 2,230. Now question number 3 we have. Question number 3. Express the following numbers in the standard form. What is the first part? 5 crore. So in standard form we can write this number as 5.0 into 10 raised to power. After 5, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 raised to power 7. This is the way how we can write this number in standard form. Now we have the second part. 70 lakhs. That means we can write this number as 7.0 into 10 raised to power. How many digits are there after 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 raised to power 6. Next is 3 arab 18 crore 65 lakhs. So we can write this large number in the standard form. How we start? We write this as 3 point, this is 1, 8, 6, 5 into 10 raised to power. After 3, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we write 10 raised to power 9. Next we have fourth part, 3,90,878. In standard form we can write this number as 3 point. After 3 we put the decimal and every digit 9, 0, 8, 7, 8 into 10 raised to power. After 3, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 raised to power 5. Next is, now this is the question part number 5. Here is a little bit twist once again. Decimal is placed here. So we start from here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So we write here 3 point. After 3 we put the decimal. How many digits are there up to 7 before decimal? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. We write 10 raised to power 4. Right? 3.9087 right? So this is the way we can, this 8 is also included here. Okay, this way we can express in the standard form this given number. In part number 6, once again we can understand the concept. Decimal is now here, so we write first of all 3 point. Okay, Next, all numbers, all digits we write as it is. This is 9, 0, 8, 7, 8 into 10 raised to power. After 3, how many digits are there up to decimal? 1, 2, 3. Up to decimal we had to count. So they are 3 digits. So we put here 10 raised to power 3. So this is the way we can express the given number in the standard form. Okay, so this was our question number 3. Now we proceed towards question number 4. Question number 4, express the number appearing in the following statements in standard form. The very first statement is A part, the distance between earth and moon is 384,000,000 meters. So in standard form we write this number, this large number, as 3.84 into 10 raised to power. After 3, the digits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 raised to power 8 meter. So this is the way we can express this large number in standard form. Now next statement is B part. B part, speed of light in vacuum is this large number, meter per second. So we can write this large number in standard form, 3.0 into 10 raised to power. After 3, count the digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digits are there. So we write 3.0 into 10 raised to power 8. Next is meter per second. C part, diameter of the earth is 1400, this large number. So we write this number in standard form as 1.4 into 10 raised to power. After 1, count the digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we write raised to power 9 meter. So this is the standard form, diameter of the earth equal to 1.4 into 10 raised to power 9 meter. Now next we have diameter of the sun is, in standard form we write this number as 1.2756000. No need to write, just we write 10 raised to power. After 1, count the digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 raised to power 7 meter. Next is E part. In a galaxy there are on an average this much stars. So what is the standard form? 1.0 into 10 raised to power. After 1, count the digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 10 raised to power 11 stars. F part, the universe is estimated to be about 12 this much, these 000 years old. So what we can write in this number, this large number, in standard form, 1.2 into 10 raised to power. After 1, count the digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 years old. This is the life till date of the universe. 1.2 into 10 raised to power 10 years. Next question. G part. The distance of the sun from the center of the Milky Way galaxy is estimated to be meter, this meter. So in standard form we can write 3.0 into 10 raised to power. We count the digits after 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 10 raised to power 20 meter. So easily we can read this, because we have converted this large number in the standard form. Earlier this was difficult to read this. Now next part is, now the question is very interesting. H part: 602300000000000 molecules are contained in a drop of water weighing 1.8 gram. What is the weight? Very small weight, 1.8 gram. The water, the drop of a water weighing 1.8 gram. This much molecules are there. We cannot read, but when we shall write them in standard form, then we can read. Okay, so how we convert this into standard form? 6.02323, because next we have only zeros, so we can stop writing zeros. Just we write 10 raised to power. After 6 we count the digits: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22. So 6.023 into 10 raised to power 22 molecules are there contained in a drop of water weighing 1.8 gram. Now next once again very funny, very interesting, but the fact: the earth has 135300000 cubic kilometer of sea water. Okay, so what is this in standard form? This large number, we write this as 1.353 into 10 raised to power. After 1 count the digits: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 10 raised to power 9 cubic kilometer of sea water. Right? Now next, the population of India was about 1 arab 2 crore 7,000 in March 2001. So this large number, we can write this in standard form. How? 1.027 into 10 raised to power. After 1, how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 10 raised to power 9. This was the population of India in March 2001.